Hello everyone. Today we'll be seeing business models part 2. The industrial internet of things is a key driver of industry 4.0, enabling the businesses to optimize processes, improve the efficiency and create new revenue streams. These are some business opportunities in industrial IoT based on the entrepreneurship theory and transaction cost theory. First is entrepreneurship theory and industrial IoT opportunities. So here the entrepreneurship theory highlights how business can create value in industrial IoT through the asset driven, service driven and information based innovations. First is the asset driven opportunities, where developing smart factories with connected machinery and real-time monitoring is being observed, and enhancing predictive maintenance using IIoT sensors to minimize downtime is being done, and there is creation of intelligent supply chains with automated logistics and inventory tracking. Next is service innovations that aid manufacturing, where the cloud-based analytics and AI-driven insights for industrial operations are being observed, and the remote diagnostics and troubleshooting for some industrial machines are being done, and the automated quality control using IIoT powered vision system is also being observed. Then you have service driven opportunities targeted at end users, where the IIoT power smart buildings are developed for energy management, and healthcare devices are connected for industrial workers safety, and also usage based business models such as pay per use industrial equipment are being used. Then you have information infrastructure ownership, where IIoT data platforms provide, aggregate and analyze industrial data, and cybersecurity solutions are built for industrial networks, and here 5G and edge computing services offer for real-time industrial IoT applications. Then second is the transaction cost theory and industrial IoT business models, where it focuses on how businesses can reduce cost and improve the efficiency through new contract models. First is the non-ownership contracts, under which you have equipment as a service. So here there is renting of IIoT enabled industrial machines instead of purchasing, and subscription based industrial IoT solutions for factory automation are being used, and on demand manufacturing services using industrial IoT enabled smart production lines are also being used. Then you have performance contracts, where outcome based contracts where payments are based on machinery uptime and efficiency are being mostly used here, and energy performance contracts, that is EPCs, using the industrial IoT sensors to optimize energy consumption, and the pay per output contracts, where businesses pay based on the production level or production is achieved. So here in entrepreneurship theory, you have asset driven innovations, service innovations and information infrastructure, whereas in transaction cost theory, you have non-ownership contracts and performance contracts. So these are the components, that is the IIoT business model components. So here a successful industrial internet of things business model, it consists of 4 key components, that is the value proposition, then you have value capturing mechanism, value network and value communication. First is the value proposition. Here it indicates how an industrial IoT creates value such as predictive maintenance, energy efficiency and process optimization in order to improve the industrial operations. Second is the value capturing mechanism, where we'll study about the revenue generation methods like subscription models, pay per use, outcome based pricing, and data monetization. Then third is the value network, where the ecosystem of manufacturers, cloud providers, AI companies, security firms, and regulatory bodies will support the industrial IoT implementation. Then you have value communication. Here you will study how businesses market and educate customers using branding, reports, customer training, and industry partnership to showcase the industrial IoT benefits. Next, we have types of industrial IoT business models. The first, here actually you have three types. Okay, so the first is the cloud-based business model. This model leverages cloud computing for data storage, analytics, and remote access. Example is industrial IoT platforms offering real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance via the cloud services. And the revenue model, here you will be using subscription based or pay per use. That is the revenue model which is being used, and the key benefit is the scalability, remote access, and the real time decision making. Then you have second type is the service oriented business model, which focuses on providing industrial IoT enabled services rather than selling the physical products. Example is equipment as a service, where manufacturers rent industrial machines with industrial IoT sensors, and the revenue model which is being used is pay per use or outcome based pricing or maintenance contracts. Key benefit here is it reduces the capital investment for customers while ensuring uptime and efficiency. Then you have third type is the process oriented business model. So it uses the industrial IoT to optimize industrial processes by improving the efficiency, reducing the waste, and automating the workflows. Okay, that is improving the efficiency, reducing the cost, and optimizing the supply chains or the workflows. Example here is smart factories using industrial IoT for predictive maintenance, automated supply chains, and the energy management. Or one example here is the GE Predicts. So here the revenue model which is being used is the process optimization or the performance based pricing. And the key benefit of this type is increased productivity, lower costs, and the enhanced operational efficiency. Thank you.